Gentlemen, start your engines. a visit, having some coffee at the Lanark City Park, their first stop before heading back to Mount Carroll for lunch. Say, well, I'm here with Dennis Dunlap from Bartlett, Illinois.
All right.
And what are you driving today, Dennis?
I'm driving a '59 John Deere 630.
Did you restore it?
Yeah. A friend of mine and I worked on it over the winter, and we just started replacing a couple of parts, and one thing led to another, and pretty much ended up restored.
Have you, this your first tractor drive out here?
No, it's my third year out here.
Okay, great. What do you think of Carroll County?
I love Carroll County. I've had an aunt and my cousins have lived out here their whole life, and we have a 20-acre plot here in Mount Carroll, so that's our interest in this area.
Wonderful. Well, I'm glad you're having a good time, and enjoy the second half.
Okay, I will do. Thank
Thanks,
you very
Dennis.
much.
Well, I'm here with Chaz Welch with the Farm Bureau. How's it going so far?
So far the day's been good. It woke up to rain about 10 to 5 and thought, oh no, what's going to happen this year? But sun came out for a little bit, and now we're kind of overcast, and the day's been going perfect. Everything's on schedule.
Yeah, and how many did you end up with?
We ended up with 54 tractors. We had 61 sign up, and we had 7 who weren't able to make it with us.
All right. Well, it's the lunch smells great, and I know I've spoken with a few people. Everybody's having a great time. I'm here in Chadwick on their last break of the day. I'm with Larry Reed from Dixon. And how's the ride so far, Larry?
I tell you, the ride's been fantastic. We're on a ride that we think we're between rainstorms, and we have accomplished that throughout the day. I loaded my tractor this morning in a pretty heavy rain in Dixon, Illinois, and I thought I was back on the Dixon Riverfront. I'm chairman of the Dixon Riverfront, and so I look into that and I say, oh my, what have we got for us today? But it's been a pleasant ride, and I tell you, Carroll County organizers do a fantastic job. There's safety all the way through the routes, and it's just much appreciated by the riders.
It's nice to hear. Yeah, we got great cooperation from the county sheriff. And so what are you riding today, Larry?
I've got a John Deere MT. It's a 1951 model. It's a one that my father had, and he gave up when his riding days were over, and I was able to find the tractor and bring it back into the family.
Great. Well, you said you were the chairman of a festival in Dixon?
Well, the Dixon Riverfront Commission, Dixon has had an incentive where the city council has appointed a commission, and what it does is it takes, and we're making the river an asset to our community. So I have a group in our organization which is appointees, volunteerism, but we're adding features to the riverfront. One of them is the Heritage Crossing, which is between the Galena and Peoria Avenue bridges, primarily on the south side of the river, and it's taken on a whole new life.
Well, it looks great, and you guys have done a great job. Thank you for coming down, Larry.
Well, thank you much, Tom.